Hello, content biters. So I thought let me just relax here as I speak to you. Somebody asked me about YouTube giving business opportunities. How does that work? I didn't understand the question at first, but now that I thought about it, I was like, oh, okay, I see what you mean. So let's say you have a business idea, or maybe you already have a business. Maybe your business is selling product online, or maybe you have a TikTok shop or some kind of affiliate link going on your social media platforms, but you are seeing that the traffic is not doing you that good. So then you start a YouTube channel. When you start a YouTube channel, YouTube is kind of like known to drive customers to your business. So basically, it's almost like a business funnel of some sort. So even on YouTube, there's a description box where you can embed your affiliate links or the link of your online business or online product or whatever the case that you are doing. And then your viewers, as your channel grows, because it's an eventual thing, it's not going to be a snap of a finger. Some people believe in first reading the description box before they can actually watch the actual video, and then they will see that you have these links. They will click some of them if probably they like what they see, or let's say in most cases YouTubers, they would outline all the filming equipments that they use for their videos, from the camera that they use, the microphone that they use, the gimbal that they use, the tripod, the ring lights, all the works. And then they'll have affiliate links for each one of them. Sometimes you might have a potential YouTuber, but they are wondering how or where to get the filming equipment that you use, and they want to use your very own. So they trust you, and therefore they are going to click on those links to purchase. Obviously, when you purchase, even when you click on an affiliate link, what happens is there's a small percentage that you are going to get from the click. If there's a sale, then you get a larger percentage from the purchase of the equipment that you outlined with an affiliate link. So that is one of the ways of enhancing your income with your YouTube channel. If you have a walk-in store, this is where in your videos you do talk about your business, or maybe you're talking about something totally different, but you sponsor your own video by basically not exactly announcing, but alerting your viewers that you do have a walk-in store, you sell pet food, or you sell pet clothes, or you sell pet toys, or whatever the case might be. And then you show them the link to your walk-in store for, I don't know, address or location, whatever the case might be. And then you'll see people walking in because they trust you, because you've built that trust with them through your YouTube videos. And suddenly now you're having your subscribers being your customers. If probably you are working for a marketing company, or you yourself, you are a marketer, this is also a great opportunity to show off your skills in case you want other marketing companies to hire you or to hire your marketing company. Of course, you are going to show off your skills through your videos, what exactly you do. Same thing if you are a photographer or a videographer for weddings, for conferences, for funerals, shows, whatever the case might be, and somebody is looking for a videographer, they come across a YouTube video, and that's how you generate yourself customers, and therefore you make yourself money. That's basically how YouTube works, if on a business perspective. But YouTube itself is also a business, because you do earn money on YouTube once you have reached the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within 365 days. And you become eligible for monetization, as we call it here, or you become a YouTube partner, or what they call it, YouTube partner program, that you get accepted into, and then you start earning money. Again, it will depend on what you are talking about. Since you are a business owner, business talk or business topics or business content, it's one of those high paying contents on YouTube. You can find that for one video that you post about business, depending as well what topic in the business or about business you're talking about, may make you somewhere around, let's say, $50 per 1,000 views. This is what you call a CPM, cost per miller, cost per 1,000 views. And of course, YouTube will take 45% of that, and then you are remained with 55%. So out of $100 CPM, you walk away with $55 and YouTube takes $45, okay? And imagine now that your channel, it is one of those that are highly respected, trusted, and you are gaining millions of views. Can you imagine $55 multiplied by a million? How much that is? Right, that's how much you'll be making on YouTube, $55,000 from just one video. So it does sound great. Sometimes it's also sound unbelievable. Trust me when I tell you there are a lot of people who are on YouTube that are making millions of dollars. And I'm talking 16-year-olds, 18-year-olds, 21-year-olds. And so if you are in your 40s and above and you are like twiddling your thumb and wondering if you should join YouTube, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting? Whether you are coming in as a business owner or you are coming in because you have business ideas that you would like to impart to your audience, start a YouTube channel, because that becomes your business, not your traditional business. These days, as I've always said, we now live in a digital era, and in the digital era, it has given us opportunities that leaves you thinking, wow, what a great time to be alive. And that's exactly how you will always feel. So if you are going to upload videos, make sure that you know when you are going to post your videos. I would suggest that since you are going to be starting out on YouTube, post 3 videos a week, or maybe post 3 videos a day. I know it's a lot of work, because it is a lot of work. Some people, when they think of YouTube, they think, this is just a waste of time. It's for young people. Yeah, those young people are making millions that you don't have. Yeah, you're busy stuck in a 9 to 5. They are stuck busy creating videos, and it's not easy to create a video. Even this video alone, you'll see with the jump cuts that on the video, that can tell you how long it took me to film just this video alone. It's work, because it's not just filming. There's editing. This is where many people do not like the editing part, because it can take you hours to edit just a 3-minute long video. I know this video alone, it's going to take me at least 3.5 to 4 hours to edit, because I'm be removing some of the things that I don't want in the video, and leaving the things that I want in the video. So same goes as well when you are editing your video. Sometimes you're going to have to let your very important babies go by editing them out. So it's not easy to film a YouTube video. That is why YouTube appreciates the work that you do, hence you get paid the amount of money that you get paid, especially if you are going to do finance, business, real estate, insurance, health, all those topics. They pay pretty high versus if you are doing a vlog or entertainment or skits and drama, then that pays a little bit lower. So you have to do your research, and that is how YouTube can make your business to succeed, or you turn YouTube into your business. I hope we get each other there, content biters. Other than that, let me sign out. Please don't leave the video without liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. I'll see you later. Goodbye.